For outstanding service and amenities, the apartment of choice in Austin is The Beverly. The Beverly is an award-winning community with a multi-level parking garage, bike storage, and on-site Bark Park. You can spend warm summer afternoons relaxing beside our resort-inspired pool. Throw something on the grill for a delicious outdoor dinner. Then head inside for an invigorating full-body workout in our modern fitness center. At The Beverly, you'll find an amazing array of 1- and 2-bedroom floor plans with central heat and air, a front-loading washer and dryer, huge walk-in closets, and a gorgeous bathroom with an oval soaking tub. Beautiful hardwood flooring adds a custom look and feel to the spacious living room and dining area. There's an oversized private patio or balcony for you to enjoy. And the kitchen features stunning cabinets and countertops and a contemporary appliance package. The Beverly is located in vibrant and exciting downtown Austin. You'll be in the center of the live music district and surrounded by the best shopping, dining, and entertainment this amazing area has to offer. Come home today and enjoy the ultimate downtown Austin living experience at The Beverly.